Alright guys, welcome back to yet another video. This time around we have another awesome gift from our friends at Soulsfeng. Thank you so much Soulsfeng for sending me so many gifts and for trusting in our photographs. I'm so happy and thankful for collaborating with this brand for almost a year now. Once again, don't forget to visit their website soulsfeng.com. Alright guys, we're gonna unbox this baby up. Here we go. Alright guys, we've seen this box before. We're still gonna inspect it real quick. This is the top part, the logo on the side and a little graphic with somebody running. On the side we have the description of the shoes, the City Blue Soccer World, which by the way, these shoes will be worn at the Daytona Soccer Fest, July 2nd and 3rd of 2022. If you're going over there, you might see me taking some photos on the field. Yeah, pretty awesome. I'm really excited. This is the front. If you want more information, don't forget to scan the barcode. That's their address in New York. This is the side. This is where you pull to unbox. Bottom part is blank, and that is it. Pretty simple, straightforward. Let's open it up. Oh, hello, beautiful. Nice. Nice. Alright guys, these are the shoes. Let's take a look. This is the side view. These are the soles on the side. Little design right here, the white. And then that's the inside with the logo in there. There it is. This is the other one. Pretty similar. I do feel some little bubbles, like bumps in the sole inside. I'm pretty sure you can see it from there. That's pretty dope. It might be comfortable. Once again, I'll have to test it and let you know. And quick reminder, these are going to be used at the Daytona Soccer Fest this upcoming 4th of July weekend. And I am super excited to be part of that Daytona Soccer Fest. And once again, thank you Soulsfeng for being an amazing sponsor for us. Thank you guys. Yeah, well, this is it. This was the unboxing. I think they look pretty cool. I'm not really sure if I should use this to kick around. I'll give it a shot. I will let you know. What better way to photograph Daytona Soccer Fest with some soccer shoes sent from our friends at Soulsfeng? I think there's no better way. They look fantastic. I love them. Well, thank you so much guys for watching. This was the unboxing for the Soulsfeng soccer shoes. The actual name is City Blue Soccer World. If you're planning to buy this up from their website soulsfeng.com, they are on sale. They're $42 right now. They're usually around $68. So if you want to pick some of those up, please go right now. They're on sale. Take advantage of this price. So yeah, that is it guys. What do you guys think? Once again, I'm super excited. Personally, I just can't wait. I think they're just gonna be fantastic for my little trip to Daytona. And yeah, I'll be wearing these beautiful shoes at the Speedway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, my name is Javier Morales. This was the unboxing for the City Blue World Soccer shoes from Soulsfeng. And please let me know in the comments below, what do you think about these shoes? Will you pick some of these up? Do you actually like them? Do you hate them? Let me know in the comments below. I personally love them. I'll have to test them though to make sure they're comfortable and they're pretty good, and see if they actually work to you know, kick the ball around. Alright guys, this is it for me today. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing. If you want me to unbox a specific pair of shoes or a specific item, please let me know down in the comments below. Once again, before I go, thank you Soulsfeng. And thank you Daytona Fest for inviting me to photograph this event. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.